So I covered this token few days back in my Platinum Telegram group, and you can see here at that time this token was at around 100k market cap, and right now it rose to nearly close to $1 million market cap. You can see here already touching $1 million, and right now at 823k. Guess what? This is a meme coin, and this pumped like crazy, and now everyone wants to buy it. Of course, I will tell you in this video, is it the right time to buy, right time to sell, and if it's the right time to buy, at what price point you should exit and book profit. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about WRT token, or World Rebuilding Trust, that is actually gaining momentum every single day. If you remember, this token was launched few days back, it was dumped, then I think it's migrated to a new contract, and this new contract is actually going ballistic. So this is a new trend, this is a new token, and we need to discuss the price action and see if there is still money that can be made. So let's dive in. Now again, if someone is new here and watching my videos for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and make sure to click the join button below to be part of my Platinum trading group so that you can get the calls faster and you can make money and profit every single day trading tokens that I share. So here we are talking about WRT, which is nothing but a meme coin driving the current narrative, which is of war and also of oil and also of peace. That is why it's called World Rebuilding Trust. Now, guess what? It was launched around few days back. If I tell you the chart, the older chart of this token, it is like this. I think, yeah, this one. So, this was a token which was launched earlier, and this one kind of dumped. People thought it is dead, but they were actually migrating. They migrated to new token, which is this one that I'm showing you right now, this one. So this token pumped like crazy after migration, and is not stopping. From nearly close to 50, it has actually gave you 10x within 4 days. Guess what? And it's still rising, it is not dumping. That means it can go higher. If we talk about the numbers, the market cap I've shown you, also the trading volume is 328k, which is good. If you look at the smart contract or contract address, every day the holders are rising steadily, which is a good sign. Of course, top 10 hold 31%, which is kind of okay, but you should also be aware the top two tokens holder holding nearly 12% of supply. These two are individuals, not a smart contract. So this is where you have to be alert. If you look at the bubble maps, it just looks quite decent. Like these guys are holding a bit of supply, which is a bit of concerning. That is why I tell you, do not buy the top of any token, especially meme coin. So when I talk about the price action, I look at the lower time frame and see is there in stagnation or downfall. This one looks like kind of stagnation, not a downfall. So I believe if you want to enter the token, let me draw some fib retracement and tell you what should be the best point for you to enter if it goes down. So according to the fib, it can go as low as 550 or 600k market cap. That is the best value point for it to enter. But according to the lower time frame, if it goes to as low as let's say 700k, I think we are still good. So target to enter this token if it touches below 600k market cap, and of course place a stop loss below 400k market cap with a target of close to $1 million market cap, which is 0.001. Guess what? If the token keep on trending, it can actually go to as high as $10 million MCAP, which is still a good value. But our job is to find the entry point. So with this meme coin, I can say if you're planning to enter it, planning to buy it, do not buy the top. Let it cool down, let it settle. It is pumping from the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days continuously, and today was the biggest pump, which is this kind of candle. So do not enter at all time high. Wait for it to pull back and then enter, and then you can ride the rally fast. That is the best way to enter. So I suggest let it go down below 600k or 700k market cap, enter small amount, then scale up as it grow higher, and then you book profit at the set market cap or target, which I believe the minimum is 0.001 or $1 million market cap. Max I can say between $2 to $5 million, but it can also go higher. that is also possible if the peace prevails between the current tension. So this is my price prediction. What are your thoughts about WRT? Remember, this is a trading channel. I review charts. So please make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and make sure to join my platinum membership by clicking the join button below, and be part of a premium community by joining my telegram using this membership. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.